I'm going to show you how you can design an amazing logo using your Android PixelLab, and how exactly you can mock it up in a simple way using your PhotoPay. This is the sample Hikmat Empire. You see the logo Hikmat Empire. This is simple logo design. Let's start without wasting much of our time. So the first thing I will try to show you is to show you from the scratch how you can exactly do that. So you select your shapes. After you select your shapes, then you can try at least to increase your radius a little bit. Then you come back, center it. So after you center, as you can see, then you give it your desired color. This is the exactly color the client wanted. Then you can now click select type E. So choose your desired font, but you make sure that your E fits in that circle. But let me first of all choose my desired color first. Let me first of all position it very well first. So as you can see, I'm positioning it right now. Then you can use because if you try at least to position it using the automatic center, it might not work. So I'm trying at least to position using manual. Then you select the shape, as you can see. So after selecting the shape, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can use your mask to cut out a particular area here. So after done that, then you enable your mask. So then position it like this and move the arrow, the top arrow, the one I draw down. Then move this one up a little bit. So after that, you cut out the outer out. Click on out and then you click on copy, the fourth one beside 2. When you click on copy, it will be 2. So it means you are selecting 2. Then you use your arrow like this, the way I'm doing it. Use your arrow exactly like this. You use the arrow. You see the way I'm positioning it to form that example, exactly the shape I wanted. I only need a tips out of these shapes, but I have to cut out it like this before I can now choose the one I wanted. I want to show it is Hikmat Empire IE, initial of that particular brand name. So I need I, and I want it to be a unique one. So as you can see, I've cut out the shapes. It's not really okay. It's not really okay. So so now you must cut it out in such a way that it will fit in with that how boldness the E be. So it must rhyme with the what, with the size of the E, so that it will not what, it will look raw. So as you can see, I'm positioned. Then the next thing I will do right now is to, it's not really, yeah. So now you see, as you can see, good. So the boldness is the same now, right now. So it's match in. So I have to rotate it and position it very well for it to be able to fit in that particular E. As you can see, you see the way I'm rotating it. Yeah, almost done. Almost done. You can rotate other alphabet like that. You can do design a logo on other alphabet as long as it started with those the brand name of that particular person. As you can see, you see, good. I just want it to be real. That is my objective. I want it to be real. I don't want it to be obvious that I join any circle there. So when you did it that way, position it well. Good. It's not done. What I will do now is to select a small text, then move it in, then merge it together with that one so that it will allow the mask to cut it out. So now select your mask and you move it in, let it cut it out, then enable it, then click mark. Now it will cut it out. Can you see? So now you can now put, you see how beautiful it is. Good. We're almost there. So now you move it, position it well. So now the next thing to do now is to now click a small circle, then enable your radius to form to make it form like circle, and position it on top of that shape that we just cut out using our mask. So you move it and put it position on top to form like I to form like I. Remember, I want to design the logo Hikmat Empire. So that is I. Then after you position it that way, then the next thing to do is to yes, I just changed the background there for me to be able to see clearly. No magic in that one. So I want to position this very well so that it will look real. So now it's to write my right up. So Hikmat. So then choose your desired font. Now the font I choose is Noto Sound Pro. So you increase it to your desired taste. Then you position it at the bottom of the logo we just made. So as you can see, sorry. So give it a color. Give it color. So now write Empire. So choose a font that will not look exactly like that. You see it? I use Dalax font. You can actually download this font. See the exact the spelling of the name at the description of this video. So let me give this one, let me position it very well. So after that, then you increase the size of this one and let it fit inside the Hikmat. You see the way I'm trying to position it. I want it to fit inside the Hikmat. You see? Is it not awesome? Very awesome. We're almost there. So move it, position it, apply wisdom here. Kindly apply wisdom here. You center it. Don't let the empire, any of the letter in empire, to touch the Hikmat. Position it and let it look realistic. I'll give it a color. So the same color I gave the shape that I placed my E, that is the color I gave it. So I want to increase the Hikmat color to make it more obvious. Good. We are almost there. So now go, let's merge them. Now I've merged them. So the next thing to do now is to position it to the center. As you can see, very simple. So now what we are going to do is to save it. So now after saving it, we have to save it with transparent background as well. You see, we have saved it. So now the next thing to do is to come to our Photopea, www.photopea.com. Good. This is Photopea interface. Click on your file where I circle. As you can see, click on open. You see where I circle? Click on open. Click on open. Then click on download. As you can see. So now I want to select the mockup. You can actually download this mockup at the description of this video. I will intentionally upload the mockup there. So I'm going to my drive and select the mockup there. You wait, I've selected the mockup. Wait, there's no magic there. It will take a little time before it will load. So you wait. So we wait. We waited. Wait. It's loading right now. So you have to wait a little bit. When it's done loading, it will display the result. Then we can actually continue. Now it's done loading. As you can see, it's not taking much of our time. So the next thing to do now is to click on our lay. You see where I circle, click on our lay. So then you see where place your logo here, where I circle, double tap it. When you double tap and only that layer will generate, you see the eye icon that I circle, tap on it to hide the logo on top of the layer. Then you click on your lay to back. Click on lay to back. Yes, you see something. When you're able to achieve this, that you are good to go, then click on file where I circle, click on open and place. You see where I circle, then click on download. Let's select the logo we just made. Now let's select it and import it into our photo P layer. So we're going to select the mockup, the PNG logo we just made right now. So I'm looking for it in my PixelLab. Yes, I've seen it. Then you click on it to import it to your photo P on top of that layer. Now you wait a little bit for it to load. Everything is not magic. It will take a little time before it got loaded. So when it's loaded, now you can see it has loaded. It has loaded. Since it has loaded, the next thing we are going to do is to what? You see the way I click the handle icon and I stretch it out. So you stretch it out like this. So after you stretch it out, then you click on your file, then click on click on save with smart objects. Click on save with smart objects. Okay, click on save. Click on save with smart objects. So after clicking that, then you wait a little bit. You wait. You have to wait until when you see smart object update, until when you see that, then you are good to go. Now what we are going to do is to click on the what? Click on the first. You see where I'm circled, where I pointing my arrow it, where I just pointed. You continue, you tap it twice, so that when it downloading on the ground, it will display the result. As you can see, the result has displayed. That is exactly how you can mock up your what? How you can easily mock up your design on your Android smartphone easily using your photo pair. It's just as simple as that. The process, I'm trying to see whether I can edit it easily. That's what I'm trying to do. So it's just as simple as that. After you import your design, your logo, your PSD file, just go to your layer and double tap where you saw you see place your logo here. So immediately you double tap it, then you hide the logo that on top of it. So then you come directly to your file. As you can see, after you finish the whole thing, come to your file and come to your export. Then you click on PNG, as you can see. So then you download. After that, it will bring where to save. You saved, then you download. It's just as simple as that. Don't forget to click mod. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to comment if you find my video interesting and helpful, and don't forget to share my video. As you can see, I want to show you the result. And don't forget to click the bell icon as well, so that you can be notified whenever I update a new video. Thanks for watching. God bless you.